What do you mean, what is that?
Hello.
Wait, Tally, let me call someone on Discord.
Stop.
Hold up.
No, you're in the party.
Bro, why is he
Damn.
spamming invites on me? He's spamming invites on me. Hold up.
No.
Bro,
Oh, I miss you. Be quiet.
should I tell him to stop spamming invites on me? Tally? Hold up. Bro, serious? No, bro. Why does he keep doing that? Bro, stop it!
Bro,
Why are you so scared to fight me, little? No, wait.
I
I still use 7.2.
It's
It's a scaredy cat.
Ah, serious. Let me download one more skin.
Your account is currently being reported.
What? Did you just hear that? Did you hear that?
Monkey. But I think
they look cool.
Come. To the core.
I don't know what's happening.
Call 9118 now for your account to be saved.
What? Are you hearing this? Tally. Tally, are you hearing this?